What if you woke up every morning and you didn't have to wake up being sick and tired of being sick and tired? And what if I told you that almost 6 years ago, I had to use a cane to walk most days because I was in so much pain and had so much inflammation in my body. But then one day I discovered an ancient biblical truth that led to complete restoration. And to be honest, if I had one more inconclusive test or one more doctor gaslight me, I probably would have lost it a little bit. But let's be real, we know our body. I knew something was off. Even though the tests were saying one thing, I knew there was something off. I don't know, maybe I was supposed to walk in sickness for a while until I stumbled across this and it just kind of hit me upside the head. But it was like, duh, we need to go back to the basics. And that's what inspired my entire company. What I was mostly tired of was ordering a product, getting it in the mail, not being told how to use it, the best way to use it. Are there other supplements I can take with it to make this whole process go a little smoother? And let's not talk about all the fillers that every company seems to think that it's necessary to put in their product, which in turn makes them weaker, which makes you have to buy them longer. That's why at Restored Identity, all of our cleansing kits come with a 36-page custom booklet that walks you through the entire cleansing process. Whether you're at the very beginning with the Open Pathways kit, which is where everyone should start, or whether you're doing the heavy metals or mold or parasites, we walk you through the process. We also tell you what to expect, how you're going to feel during the process, the foods you should and shouldn't eat while you're doing this. Also know that there's a whole group of us out there that have discovered these ancient truths, have done these steps, and we have restored our bodies. And we have a free community on our website that you can come be a part of, ask questions, learn the process. I'm telling you, you don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to stay in your sickness, and you don't have to stay in your dis-ease. It only took 1 year of my life to rid my body of the 11 dis-eases and illnesses I had been carrying around for over 20 years. So if you want to learn more, come on over to restoredidentity.com and come on back to the basics with us.